Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you this awesome Halloween look. Yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now because I'm freaking myself out looking at myself. So yeah, let's just get started. Alright, so I did already start off with foundation and my eyebrows done. I did go over with my foundation and then put concealer on all over my face because I do want my face to look paler than usual. And then the next thing that I'm gonna go in with is some wax. This wax I got at Spirit Halloween for like $3. And what I'm gonna do is like create an effect as if my nose is broken. And I'm gonna get a little bit of oil, just so that the wax, it's argan oil, whatever. Just so that the wax is easier to grab. And my hands are red because I did this to my shirt and it happens. So just so that the wax is easier to come off, you want to use like an oil. So we're gonna do it like a little worm. I'm gonna put it on my nose and then I'm gonna spread it out. This looks funny. Okay, so I guess that'll do. That'll have to do. Something like that. Now I'm gonna go on my tweezers and kind of like break this apart. I'm just gonna do this. Whatever, it doesn't have to look pretty. Someone hit me, right? Alright, so I managed to mold it out and like open it in between the middle. Now I'm gonna go in with black eyeshadow. I'm using the Daisy Marcus palette. Black, and just like the inside of the nose, I'm going to yeah, fill in with black. So just fill that in like that. The sides of my nose, I'm just gonna secure it with latex glue because the wax is a little runny and I wouldn't want it to like, imagine my nose falls. Oh, ew, this smells disgusting. Oh my god. Oh, it's like making my eyes burn. Oh my gosh. Okay, be very careful with this, y'all. So while this dries, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my scars, which I'm gonna use liquid latex and toilet paper. So wherever you want like your open wounds to be, go ahead and apply it on there. So I'm gonna do some right here. Then I'm put little pieces of toilet paper. And then just rip off whatever you have like left. So I'm going in with more liquid latex and I'm just gonna glue this down and I'm folding this in. Then I'll make another one. Yeah, I'll make one on my neck. So then the next one I'm gonna apply on my neck. It's gonna be like right here. Again, latex toilet paper. So now I'm gonna let this dry off, and I'm gonna do some really ugly eyeshadow. Like it's always ugly, but this time I'm gonna do it ugly on purpose. I'm gonna do brown again, Daisy Marcus palette, and I'm gonna do it like right here, like really bogus. So you guys see how it's starting to look like more real, I guess. And I'm gonna go in with black now, and I'm gonna apply this like right here, just on my lid. So yeah, just like blend this in. So I'm gonna use one of these little sponges. Hopefully this will help create like a better bruised effect. Okay, I like that. So I had to go back in and fix my nose. It was acting up a little bit, but it's all fixed. Now I'm gonna go in with some like red lipstick that I'm never gonna wear again. So I'm gonna go into the black and just like dab it all around. I do also have fake blood I'll use, but just like for the edge, just a little bit of this on there. It looks kind of gross now, and I'll put some on my nose, like on the outside of my nose, like I'm dying or I'm already dead. So yeah, like to make it look like a little bit more realistic, now we're gonna break the skin, the toilet paper, with some tweezers. Just be careful not to grab your skin. And with the tweezers, just like cut it open. And I'm trying to go down now. So yeah, you're gonna open up the wound. Perfect. I'm just gonna go in now with the black inside of it. And then actually what I should have done before this was go over it with some of my foundation. So I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna just go over it, like the outside of it, golden foundation. And then now what I'm gonna do is grab like this fluffier brush and go back in and like bruise it up a little. You know what? I'm gonna use this one actually. So I'm gonna use brown first and just like bruise this up. Then I'm gonna add the purples to like right here, like up here, like right here, so like that. Now I'm gonna go back in with this red that I told you guys in the beginning about. Just like mess it up a little bit more in the inside and the outside, like just being really messy with that, like making sure that like this gets a little bit, and like this. Okay, so I'm almost done. I'm just going to add blood. Some blood. I'm gonna add some gel blood. I also got this at Spirit Halloween, and I'm gonna add this to my pants apparently. Yeah, to like the inside. Just give it like a little bit more definition. Oh my gosh, I hate this. Just stay. So yeah, like that looks so gross. And then right here, I'm gonna let it drip actually from my nose. But a lot. So that just drips down. And then to these, go in there. Just be messy, honestly. So like that. And then this one as well. And then just like drip some on there. Oh, this is so awesome. Alright guys, so I just went ahead and popped in my contacts, and I added some extra blood like right here on my neck, on my ears, just to make it look a little bit more real. Okay, I bought some black lipstick, so I'm just gonna add this on. I'll make it like messy, cause you know I'm fucking dead. Yeah, and then I'm gonna add blood. So we're gonna do this, cause you know we're fucking dead, and we don't got nobody to look you for when we're dead. So then I'm gonna grab blood now. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I did add a little bit more blood for special effects. So I added some on my forehead and more on my nose. More down here, some on my neck, you know, just to make it look a little bit more messy. Some on my ears too. So like that. And this is honestly it. It was so simple. It took me under an hour. I hope you guys enjoy this spooky season. I love Halloween. Love, love, love Halloween. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this look. I'm gonna do a little close-up. I hope you guys like this look, because I think I did a really good job. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and let me know what you think. Will I be in your nightmares today or what? Because I think I will be. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.